well as Hurricane Central, you can always get the latest on Sandy, on air, online, and on your mobile device. So stay with us for every detail on this storm. And we want to show you now this look at Miami and Sandy's track. A tropical storm warning is in effect for parts of South Florida. In fact, they are feeling the effect already. And we're going to find with gusty winds, rain, and thunderstorms, things are going to be going downhill very quickly. As you note, some of the watches and warnings that we have, we are finding in Florida, southeast Florida, we are under a tropical storm warning. Vivian?
And we are looking at the overall impacts now of Sandy as it crossed over Jamaica and then eastern Cuba. And we've been watching this system, of course, the last 24 to 36 hours as it moved across the region. Now, here's a look at Cuba, or should I say Jamaica, first of all, because at 3 p.m. yesterday, it moved across the eastern tip there of Jamaica near the Kingston area as a Category 1 hurricane with winds of 80 miles an hour. And then it continued to move north of the island and approached the eastern tip of Cuba near Santiago de Cuba as a Category 2, as it did gain winds as it crossed back over open waters, and the winds were up to 110 miles an hour as it moved again just to the south of Cuba and then crossed over the region. And it's a path of destruction that is just the beginning, unfortunately. Meteorologist Stephanie Abrams takes a look at Sandy's impacts so far.
This is what Hurricane Sandy, a high-end Category 2 storm, looked like on satellite as it slammed into the island of Cuba overnight. And this is the damage on the ground. Winds of 110 miles per hour struck the capital of Havana, dumping heavy rains and sending those on the streets running for cover. On Wednesday, Jamaica felt the brunt of Hurricane Sandy's wrath. On the outskirts of Kingston, rivers overflowed, bringing with it the dangerous threat of mudslides, the crumbling infrastructure teetering for its very survival.
I was petrified.
Florida resident Suzanne Bonane made the last flight out of the Bahamas Wednesday. She's seen what Sandy potentially will do as it now quickly approaches the Sunshine State.
The surf was incredible. It was shockingly huge. I was really surprised that it could come up quite that quickly and be that dramatic.
Now, those living along the East Coast from North Carolina to Maine are bracing for Sandy, which could strike nearly to the day of the infamous perfect storm 21 years ago. For the Weather Channel, I'm meteorologist Stephanie Abrams.
And keep it tuned to the Weather Channel as we are Hurricane Central. You can always get the latest on Sandy on air, online, or from your mobile device. So stay with us for every detail on this deadly storm. Heather?
And some light snow falling in Metro Denver late.